So my name is Anmol Mishra and I work at Hewlett Packard Enterprise as a data engineer. What landed me to KodeKloud was my passion and my curiosity about the platform engineering stuff and various other stuff which I was not able to explore in my domain. I've been using KodeKloud for more than a year now. I'm definitely looking forward to dive deep into the other courses regarding the golden jacket around STO, Survey Mesh, Prometheus, and everything around hotel. First, there are many points. Some of the points which I would like to mention are that provides very structured format for learning, and it's very crisp, and the tests and the labs which are designed are very much accurate and simulate the actual exam environment. So that's plus point for any practice environment. Developed by passion. Developed by passion, yes. Yes, I definitely do recommend everyone to use KodeKloud for their exam preparation as well as their knowledge building.